In the past, industrial machinery, printers, computers, and televisions, among other items, were connected to each other and their systems using bulky cords and cables, as were regulation instruments for industrial machinery. These cords took up floor space in a factory that could have been put to better use and created a hazardous work environment where employees had to constantly watch where they stepped to avoid tripping. With the advent of wireless technology, companies like Hongguang Instrument Factory, a subsidiary of Suyi Group, have formed and begun production of industrial instruments, wireless control systems, wireless sensors, and automation control devices. These technological innovations have done away with the need for cumbersome cables and have led to a more streamlined production process for a variety of industries. Hongguang's products, such as our temperature instrument, have found usage in prominent technological advancements in China, including the first Chinese rocket launcher control system. In 2010, our reputation caught the interest of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, and working together, we built the Research and Development Center for applying new technologies to wireless networks for industrial automation. Suyi Group, as a whole, covers more than 120,000 square meters, not including the manufacturing plant. The manufacturing plant is extensive and organized down to the smallest detail, covering 168,000 square meters. Originally a state-owned company, we are now privatized, and our team is comprised of 423 individuals dedicated to their work and producing nothing but the finest products. Hongguang has 43 years of experience in research and development, thus has the expertise necessary to meet the needs of each customer. A simplified order process and standardized production line allows us to offer cost-effective products. Hongguang owns a number of production lines, including 2 pressure level transmitter production and detection lines, 1 pressure calibrator production and detection line, 2 temperature instrument production and detection lines, 1 pressure gauge production and detection line, 2 flow meter production and detection lines, 2 level meter production and detection lines, 2 control valve production and detection lines, 1 bimetal thermometer production line, and 1 control instrument production and detection line. Each of these production lines assists in producing the materials found in our comprehensive product catalog, ensuring customers will find precisely what they need. Hongguang can manufacture customized products based on specific order requirements. We are certified to both ISO 9001 Quality Management System and ISO 1400 Environmental Management System standards, demonstrating our commitment to providing top quality products that don't harmfully impact our environment. We are a premium supplier for internationally known companies such as PetroChina and China National Nuclear Corporation, as well as other prominent organizations. The electromagnetic flow meter can be customized in size, ranging from 15 millimeters to 2,600 millimeters. It is primarily used to measure the flow of conductive liquids. Both liners and electrode materials are optional in consideration of different media. With temperature and pressure compensation functions, the Vortex flow meter is suitable for measuring the flow of gas, liquids, and steam. The liquid turbine flow meter is ideal for measuring the flow of liquids at low to medium viscosities. The metal tube rotometer is used for a low flow measurement in corrosion-resistant, high-temperature, and other special environments. The orifice plate flow meter can be used with different pressure transmitter for flow measurement. The Vortex procession flow meter is used to test gases in oil field. It can be designed with a temperature compensation function. The pressure transmitter is a sensor that converts pressure into an electrical signal that can be measured and indicated by a recorder or other secondary instruments. The pressure sensor is able to output 4 to 20 milliamps resistance, 0 to 5 volt signals. The digital pressure gauge is battery powered and used to display pressure values. Anti-explosion function is optional. The stainless steel pressure gauge is divided into two types, conventional and shockproof. The shock-resistant pressure gauge is internally designed with silicone oil in order to reduce the risk of vibration. The diaphragm pressure gauge is suitable for measuring the pressure of corrosive liquids and gases. The oxygen pressure gauge is used for measuring the pressure of oxygen. It needs to be emptied of oil to avoid explosion. The electrical contact pressure gauge is designed with automatic control and alarm functions. These gauges are ideal for low pressure measurements. The ultrasonic level transmitter is used for non-contact liquid level measurement. The radar level transmitter is a high-frequency product suitable for the level measurement of solid particles in a maximum measuring range of 70 meters. The magnetic level gauge is perfect for the level measurement of liquids in a variety of towers, tanks, boilers, grooved and spherical containers. The magnetostrictive level transmitter is primarily used for the level measurement of liquid in oil tanks. The RF admittance level transmitter is suitable for solids, liquids, and interfaces. The single flange level transmitter is used to measure and display the pressure or level of liquids. It comes with both diaphragms and seals. The hydrostatic level transmitter is a sensor that can be placed in liquids. It is mainly used for water treatment, oceans, petroleum, and other applications. The sheathed thermocouple is used to measure the surface temperature of liquids, steam, gases, and solids at a temperature range of 0 to 800 degrees Celsius. The fabricated thermocouple is primarily used to measure the surface temperature of liquids, gases, steam, and solids. The temperature transmitter can display and output temperature changes, while the temperature transmitter module is only used for output. The bimetal thermometer is used to measure the degree of expansion according to the temperature change of two different metals. The portable pressure calibrator is designed with a volume adjuster to fine pressure control. The multifunction pressure calibrator is battery powered and used for the fine adjustment of signals. The pneumatic diaphragm valve is comprised of an actuator and a regulator. The ball shutoff valve is designed with a simple structure for easy operation. It can be used for both automatic adjustment and remote control. The PSL series electric linear actuator will remind users if the valve needs to be repaired in accordance with records. The ball valve is designed for switching on both ends. It has been used in a wide range of applications by internationally known companies like PetroChina and Sinopec. The paperless recorder is designed with 0 to 40 channels to choose from. It supports both alarm output and relay output. This product not only allows data to be stored via a USB interface or USB flash disk, but it also can be read on a computer via RS-232 communications. The RF admittance switch can be applied in a variety of areas, including chemicals, cereal, liquid, sand, mud, cement, coal, oil, and paper pulp industries. The isolator comes with anti-electromagnetic interference and signal isolation functions. The flow totalizer is used to collect, display, control, remote transmission, communicate, print, and other processes for various signals, including on-site temperature, pressure, and flow, among others. The advent of wireless technology has revolutionized how factory layouts are designed and created a booming market for companies like Hongguang Instrument Factory, who design and manufacture wireless control systems, wireless sensors, automation control devices, and industrial instruments. Please feel free to browse our extensive product catalog and contact us.